how to do comment on YouTube app. Hello everyone, this is a Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. So in order to comment on any videos on YouTube app, you just have to open YouTube application and then select the video which you want to add comment to. Tap on it, and here as you can see the comment section, so tap on it and tap on add a comment. So here you have to type the comment that you want to add and tap on this send option. So here the comment will be added to this video. In this way you will be able to comment on any video. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now, and I'll catch you in the next one.